Hello, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at the 2340EA Annual Preventative Maintenance Kit. This kit comes with a door gasket. The door gasket does need to be replaced on a yearly basis. However, if you are running consecutive or back-to-back cycles, this door gasket might need to be changed more frequently. The kit comes with a single Chamber Bright tablet. Chamber Bright should be used on a weekly basis. This helps keep the valves, the chamber, and the reservoir clean. The kit comes with a HEPA filter. The HEPA filter filters the air that is going into the chamber during your drying cycle. The kit comes with new valves and plungers, a new safety release valve. This is located inside the reservoir as well as the air jet. There is instructions on how to change all of these parts inside the provided preventative maintenance guide. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support. Please like and follow. Thank you.